What is going on, you guys? It is your boy Omzy here. I am back with another Chainsaw Man episode. Guys, Halloween was yesterday. I hope you guys had a great Halloween. Now we are on the first day of November. We are a month into the fall anime season, and so far, it has been really living up to the hype. Mob Psycho has been very, very good, and starting tomorrow, it is just gonna pick up. Chainsaw Man has been an absolute blast ever since the first episode a couple weeks ago. Spy Family has been doing really, really good, and of course, My Hero Academia is killing it. My Hero's had 4 episodes out at 4, 5. I don't fucking know anymore. But no matter what, they are killing it. They are really, really killing it. Bones is doing a really, really good job. So far, the fall anime season is doing pretty good. I've even heard from my friend that Bleach is doing very, very good. Just a lot of shows are doing really, really good now. It's one hell of a season that's going on right now. But yeah, we are back with another episode of Chainsaw Man. Probably later today, I will be posting, I think, like probably a little mini video, and I will also have a community post out for it as well. If most of you don't know, I will be going on vacation this Friday to Florida again, which means that I won't have videos out for next week at all. So which means tomorrow, which is Mob Psycho episode, will be my last video until I go on vacation. So you're probably meaning like, oh, what's gonna happen with the latest My Hero episode or Chainsaw or Mob Psycho? I will explain it all in the video that's probably gonna be coming out maybe a couple hours from now. I'm not really sure, but no matter what, I'm gonna have it out today, so you guys will definitely be notified. But Chainsaw Man, oh my God, last episode, we got introduced to the Bat Devil, I believe. Yeah, this is the Bat Devil, and it was Denji's kind of first fight. Looked really, really, really good, and I think, yeah, we saw the conclusion to that. Basically, the entire kind of MVP, I'd so to say, of that episode was definitely Power. We got to see her backstory a little bit with Meowie and how she really just overall took care of her. And while I was even editing it, the shot of her with the cow, I didn't even know she was holding the cow's head in her arm. Oh my God. Like, holy shit. Like, Power is going to be an absolute blast this entire show, and she's probably going to be the most craziest character in this entire show. But I'm just so excited to just see more of her. And we saw that she led Denji to a trap, basically led him to the Bat Devil as kind of a sacrifice in order to get Meowie back, which didn't work because Bat Devil found out that, oh, was a devil and his blood tasted terrible. So that's why, like, oh, you bring me this terrible freaking food, I am now gonna kill you. But so far, this show has been an absolute blast, and I just cannot wait to see more and just where we're kind of maybe gonna go maybe in the first arc of this show. Just so far, this show has been really hitting out of the park. The music's been great, animation's been great. The opening is by far one of my favorites of this year, along with the Mob Psycho opening as well. Just so much left to be stored. I cannot wait to get into this episode. So without further ado, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys like my reaction, like, subscribe, comment down below, and if you guys want to be notified on when we release those videos, definitely smash the notification bell. But with that being said, let's get right into the episode. Aw. Oh. Power. Oh, Power. Hey, they did say uncensored, so. Damn, she gonna eat a bear too? Shit. Oh my God. Yeah, she is called the Blood Devil for a reason. My God. Look at her with the bare head and everything. God, it looks beautiful. Ooh. Oh. Oh. She's this versions of she's Toga in this show. She's basically Toga in this show. But no, this character is absolutely insane. Is this after Denji or is this inside the Bad Devil? Oh, it is. And Denji saved her. And the cat, too. Look at that. Look at that. Tits, boobs. Ha ha! Yeah! Ha ha ha! He had a motive from the entire beginning. Such a foolish reason. You gave him that. Oh, Denji, man. Oh, my lord. Wow. She gave him consent. Hell yes! What? Holy shit! God damn. What the fuck? Who's that? What the fuck is that? The fuck? Why does this remind me of the freaking, like, creature from Star Wars? Like that milk creature. What the hell? Or he'll just stand his ground and go devil again. The question is that going to factor into how much blood? Yeah. Yeah. With the amount that he's used. Yeah, low on blood. What the hell would you call this? No. Yeah, we're not having that. You ain't taking my booze away from me. That's probably what he's thinking. Let's go. With only minimal chainsaw, let's see how much he can do. Shit! Don't get electrocuted. Oh, shit. Let's see if anybody else could probably maybe step in. I don't know. Maybe if they're going to call Aki or any other character. Fuck. He blocked it. To merely fondle a chest. Oh, what a hard left. It stunned her for a minute. Oh, what a counter. Wow, that's interesting, huh? I'm not dying before I cop a feel. Not to him. Not to him. Let's see what he can do. He activated what he had. Right across the neck. Crashed out my plans and dreams, probably. Blah, blah, blah. All I want to do. Murderize. Jesus, this animation's going fast as hell. Woo! Shit! This is one of the reasons why I love the Yuji and Toto fight. Oh, he's wrapping the organs around her, maybe trying to tie her up. Nice. Oh. God. He's getting lit the hell up. Still fighting. He's fucking crazy. Then again, they both are hell. This entire fight's insane. Look at the amount of, like, gore and organs and just everything that's in. Oh! Oh! Well, that's a way to, I guess, capture somebody. Who is that? Is that? Yeah! Let's go, Aki! Whoa! What the hell is this, like, demon dog type shit? The leech devil. That's what she was called. What the hell is that? What the hell? Oh. Welcome the new characters. You've got seniority. Wow. He came in here and just completely... At least he still kept fighting, though. Shit. He's out of his mind, though. He's lost so much goddamn blood. No, at least the cat's still alive. He has no idea where he even is. That devil came the hell out of nowhere. In order to fight against them. The fox devil. Okay. Give him an apple. Screw it. Yeah. Obviously. She seems cool until she tried to... If you weren't a devil, you would have been dead. And the house that we believe was housing the bad devil. So yeah, they were on them. They kept up with them. Look at him trying to, like... What? You need to do what I tell you to do? You're a dumbass and a brat with no clue about right and wrong. I mean, it would be cool to learn under Aki. I want to know what he can show him. I feel like he has no... He wasn't even paying attention. Oh, I guess never mind. You can relax. He dreams no matter what. Yep. Yeah, I'll think about that. Yeah. I like, ever since the second episode, I've loved the dynamic between these two characters. I mean, shit, we gotta keep you in there. It's one thing I love with MAPPA is just, like, the wide shots ever since, like, the beginning of this show, and even some in JJK. It's really beautiful wide shots. So he did great. Oh shit. They might just let it slide. Yeah. Or is she still gonna be serious? Understood. There's something about... Seem a little more flexible now. I can't tell if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Yeah, there's something about Makima that really gets me scared every time she is on screen, because she shows that kind of calm personality, but at the same time, you don't know if she's being serious or if she's really, like, I don't know. She's just really nerve-wracking to be kind of around. It's time to get up. Why does he look like Sasuke? Look like Sasuke with that goddamn haircut. Or at least with his hair down, at least. And then like some good old tea to start the day. Actually, you know what? He doesn't really look like Sasuke. He looks like Tokito. Oh, no, Tokito. Mojito from JJK. Probably has one hell of a view from up there, man. Calm as hell, just reading a newspaper, drinking tea. Literally just day in the life. Day in the life of Aki. Curry. Sweet. Who the hell is banging? Is that Power? Yeah, I think that is Power. Jesus Christ. Is she staying here too? I don't think Aki has room for another one. Oh my god. Now he has to deal with both of them. I trust you more than anything else. Still, like, it's like dealing with two freaking kids. Power says she would behave. How much are you gonna believe that? Seriously. No, don't eat the food. To the farmers who grew these veggies. God! Get in there. Aki is going to flip his shit. What started out as a calming day for Aki turned into an annoying ass day. Poor Genji. Your turds are stuck to the damn toilet. Oh yeah, the deal. Huh? Is he actually going to be able to? Wow, she barely moved too, but alright, that animation though. Then she's like, there's no way this could be real. There's no way. Make sure to not fucking poke out a chainsaw anywhere, shit. Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's a 3-3. That's not bad. Yeah. Yeah, and the Leech Devil. For protecting me. Oh. But your efforts has earned you these. This is like, dude, this is great. This is great. This is the best thing ever. She's an angel. Oh, is this the new ending? Look at this, man. Like, oh man. Like I said, when I told my friends that, like, oh, there's gonna be like multiple different endings to this, they really didn't know what the hell I was saying, but just look at this. I absolutely love this. Once again, an absolute hilarious Chainsaw Man episode, knowing that Denji is literally one of my favorite characters of the year. And one of the things in here is just like, a dream doesn't really need to be big. As long as you dream just about anything, and if you're set on it, that's really all that matters. So I really just love, there's a lot of things that I love about Denji. One of it is that, like, is that, but it's also the other one from a couple episodes ago that even though like he wants to be friends with these devil because he's never had any friends in his life and he just really hasn't had anybody else since his dad passed and just he had to do stuff for the Yakuza. So I just really love how Denji is just so different from everybody else and his just way of thinking is just different than everybody else. So it's just, I love it. I absolutely love it. You guys can probably know how much I love Denji ever since the beginning of this show. Power is absolutely crazy and I just love that we have Aki starting out his day doing laundry, freaking doing tea, reading the newspaper, just kind of chilling. All of a sudden, Power comes in here and completely messes that up for the entire damn day. Freaking Power disrespecting his household, disrespecting them a little bit. It's like now like Aki has to deal with them now, which I kind of feel bad for Aki a little bit. It's really just kind of being like taking care of two children. He's just babysitting them the entire time. Oh, but I'm going to love this dynamic. I'm going to feel bad for him, but I'm going to love this damn dynamic. I just cannot wait to see more. The Leech Devil that we got in the beginning of the episode was really, really cool looking, honestly. And just the fight, I wouldn't say that it was better than the Bad Devil, but no, I could probably think that the Bad Devil is probably still better. But, I mean, no matter what, both fights were really, really good, animation-wise especially. And we just saw how much that the Bat Devil took out of Denji. Like, Denji was, like, only able to, like, use a little bit of the chainsaw through his head. It wasn't able to, like, sprout chainsaws through his arms or just anything with the amount of blood that he's lost. So I was really kind of curious if that was going to factor into it, which it did. But no matter what, he kept on fighting, and he really showed himself and showed to even Power that he was able to protect her and just everything else. But no, it's gonna be a pain not being able to see all these anime episodes for an entire week, but doesn't matter. The week prior, I will definitely be doing hella videos, and you guys will automatically know that in the video that's coming out hours from now. But regardless, amazing episode once again for Chainsaw Man. Thank you guys for watching my reaction. You guys are excited for the rest of Chainsaw Man, and you guys like the channel, like, subscribe, comment down below. And as always, my name is Omzy, and I am out.